In the last video, we explored both old and new Bangkok and showed you what's changed after 7 years. So in today's video, we're going to a more quieter side of town to explore Chatuchak Park. I can't believe we finally made it.
Yeah.
After all these years. And we totally missed it in 2016 when we came to the Chatuchak Weekend Market.
Yeah.
So it's great to be here finally.
Yeah. We didn't know about this park until we were told about the flower bloom by our Grab driver. When we were coming back from Chiang Mai, we got dropped off at the train station. We caught that Grab, and the driver kept saying "rock fire," right? And then Chatuchak a few times, and they were saying that, oh, you should check out the flower bloom. And upon researching,
and actually taking the BTS from like our hotel to our condo where we're living at now, we saw all the blooms as the BTS kind of went by. It was so beautiful. But then it's been a couple of weeks, so we've been a couple of weeks late, but still a beautiful park to come to, especially if you will be going to the Chatuchak Weekend Market. I think we're going to go this weekend, but we're going to check out a different park, so do look forward to that. Especially if you're going to the Chatuchak Weekend Market, you can come over here just to relax from all the shopping and being in the heat. It's very serene. There's a lot of shaded areas. We're not completely under a tree, but there's lots of people relaxing under the tree, reading, just enjoying their day. Most of these people are locals, and we heard that a lot of locals come here during the weekends to just picnic and hang out. But so far I've seen a lot of couples, a lot of young couples, and it's really sweet to just come here, relax, and hang out.
Couple hanging out. Chatuchak Park. Right.
Chatuchak Park is also synonymous with a lot of monitor lizards. You will find a whole lot of them here. We've seen a couple swimming in the water, but we've finally seen one go up on the grass. So cool to just watch it just crawl on the grass.
Yeah, I mean the fact that it was swimming around, I didn't even catch it until you showed me. Yeah, it just looks like
like a mini Godzilla.
So Godzilla
on grass. Yeah.
And now it's slowly walking on the lawn. It just feels wrong doing that to the fish. I'm pretty sure they've seen better days and not have to eat flowers. Nice.
That's also a beautiful sight when the breeze just flows and then the leaves or the flowers start falling. It's so nice.
I don't know, it looks like a fruit.
Yeah, actually it's called a pong tree. So it's really cool because on all the different species of plants here, you will see like little placards with QR codes on them.
Okay.
So you can that's what I try to do. You can scan them and then they'll kind of give you more information on the tree. So I just did that and it says pong tree. So it's really cool. Like, let me show you. Have the QR code, you just kind of scan it with your camera and then you'll be able to learn more about the tree. Most of it is in Thai though, so just be forewarned if you don't understand Thai. Actually, maybe you can translate it, but it's pretty cool to at least know the name of the tree, and you can Google it and find out more about it in English. But that's a cool feature that they have around the park, we noticed, is that you don't just get to walk around the park, but you also get to learn what types of trees and plants you're walking amongst. So that's pretty cool. So the land that we're actually walking on was donated by the State Railway of Thailand, and the former king, King Bhumibol, created this beautiful park and named it Chatuchak, which means 4 cycles. So it's really cool to see this beautiful, serene park, and shout out, big ups to the groundskeepers because it's very clean and it's very well kept, and we appreciate that because I think the groundskeepers are kind of the main people that maintain the park, so we really appreciate that. Kaptanka, thank you so much. And we all, tourists and locals alike, get to come here any day and enjoy the park. It's really cool. I didn't notice these blocks until we were walking by, but I'm assuming you could just come and take a seat, kind of enjoy the serene water and the beautiful bridge that they have over there. We're going to walk across it. It's a beautiful day.
That the groundskeepers, they leave a mango out on the tree, and it gets a little bit of water too. Yeah, you could see the little pecks from the birds, and it invites the birds to the park, so you get a lot more bird sightseeing. Yeah.
You see ground.
Oh, it's nice.
It's so cool. We have sprinklers.
The sprinklers are attacking.
Yeah.
Watch out! It's coming.
Groundskeepers. Fun. We have the sprinklers, we have the groundskeepers also watering all the plants, and then we had the huge truck that kind of went by, honked at us to make sure that we didn't get wet, so we kind of got out of the way. But then it was like a huge tank full of water, and just watered like the whole area of the park, and that was just so cool to see.
I've never seen anything like that.
No, I've never actually experienced like firsthand, real time, like the ground being maintained. So it's really nice to see. Yeah. Very cool.
And that is what keeps this park nice and green.
Yeah, nice and green, super lush and serene, and we don't see any trash around here, which is nice. There's a lot of like recycling bins and a trash bin, so that's really nice because sometimes you go to certain places and you can't find any trash cans. Yeah. So it's really nice that they have that here. I didn't know if I mentioned there's many ways you could get here. We actually took the BTS SkyTrain to Mo Chit, and you can also take the underground MRT, the underground railway system, to Chatuchak Park. And it was really cool because we only live one stop away. So far we've only covered like half of the park, but we're having an amazing time because we've seen sculptures, different species of trees, so many animals. I mean,
different species of birds.
Yes. Yeah. We've been like enamored by all the birds.
I've always wanted to try this.
Let's do it. You just take the tall and I'll take the short. This is better than the elliptical that I had back home.
Basically, right? It's an elliptical, yeah.
Yeah. And you can actually, I think, really work your glutes.
Oh, snaps.
Finally, you get a chance to...
See, I'm already puffing and puffing. I haven't been to the gym in so long. Taking my feet off the ground is kind of happy a little bit more.
Everyone's talking, hanging out, having a good old big conversation. And the sprinklers are still on, so we're gonna get back on the road, on the path. and enjoy both sides of the park. It's so peaceful over here. You wouldn't think you're in the middle of Bangkok. and it's so amazing to see that even though like Bangkok is known for its cityscapes, like you have like pockets of like green space spread out throughout Bangkok, and actually within the 5 provinces around it, which I think I forgot what it's called, but it's the green lung of Bangkok, which we also want to visit because we just love our green spaces. We love being in nature, and we're just so happy today to just be here. And most of the park is really all to ourselves because this is a weekday, so you know you won't really find a lot of people coming on weekdays. Definitely weekends. It's very serene here, and we're just enjoying our time. We're so shocked. I can't believe we're seeing this. We were just walking down the path to the other 2/3 of the park, and lo and behold, it's just still. It's just standing there as if it's like not real, but it's real. Oh my god! We hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for coming along with us here to Chatuchak Park. There are actually 2 other parks around here, which is the Rockby Park and the Queen Circuit Park, which is just a minute walk away from here. We're going to be exploring that soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
And remember guys, wherever you go,
don't forget to wander.
We'll catch you guys in the next video.
A rose petal maybe? Tricked him. Just kidding, guys.
Are you kind of thinking that flower is edible?
I'm just, hey dude, it just might as well be. But they're not eating it, so. Catfished?
Catfish.